couple of days back I was bringing my Nissan Qashqai back home and I have that PTR PLACE error. Luckily I was able to fix it, but I wasn't able to reproduce it. And here is the lessons learned. PTR PLACE is not an officially defined warning, and it is mainly caused by a cluster or the BCM has a low voltage or a not ready state. And these are the main causes. It could be a weak battery, it could be an issue with the jump start when you are turning on your engine, or it could be a wiring or grounding issues. So I was pretty sure that my battery is up to date. It was recently replaced, and I have opened the car engine's place. I did know that my starter motor was reconditioned and that might be causing some issues, and I have found out by checking the terminals which has been connected to the battery that one of the connection for the ground, it was not really connecting well, and I have simply fixed it. I have added temporarily some wire there to make a better connection, and actually that was fixing my PTR PLACE issue. In long term I need to change that terminal itself to be 100% fixed. If you had the same issue and this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments below. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.